You will need the SoClean CPAP adapter for Transcend and Z1. Remove the hose from your Transcend or Z1 device. Install the Transcend and Z1 SoClean adapter onto the CPAP hose. Detach the injection fitting and short hose from the main SoClean hose. You will no longer need the injection fitting and short hose. Save these parts in case you need them in the future. Connect the SoClean injection hose to the Transcend and Z1 SoClean adapter. Once the sanitizing cycle is complete and you are ready to use your Transcend or Z1 CPAP, please remove the Transcend and Z1 SoClean adapter from your CPAP hose and reconnect your CPAP hose to the CPAP device.